Hey, what's going on, everybody? Product Probes back at you with another quick review. And today we're doing the TF-858RB. It's a rainbow knife. You can actually get this knife for like $8. And guys, for an $8 pocket knife, this thing is not bad at all. Right back here, you do have your lanyard hole, and you can also use this for bending wire and other tools like that. But right here, it's just a plastic. Is it all? Yeah, it's all plastic right here. You do have your stainless steel plating in there. Now you have a non-lethal defensive tool right here. So if you were to have it kind of in your hands, bam, you can use that rail right there as a non-lethal defense. And also, it has a good grip, you know, whenever you open the knife. So, let's see what else we're working with here. Right here, the belt clip on the back seems to be pretty beefy. Now, good thing is, does sit super high, so this whole knife will be in your pocket. You're not going to have much sticking out right there. Large trigger, no thumb studs, but you do have that, bam, quick finger hole right there. Thumb grooves incorporated into the blade. And it's got a good feel to it. It is a rather large knife, super lightweight, but right here, it fits perfect. You know, of course, all hands are different, but my hands are actually fit in there really nice. And then right here, you have your liner lock. Simple close, simple open. The liner lock is super smooth. And just a good looking knife, guys. Pretty beefy little belt clip. Bam, there's that trigger. Single hand close. Let's look at the single hand deployment. Bam. Guys, this is a good looking knife. You know, this is a standard drop point when you get right here, but it does have that cutout right there on the spine. Large belly, all straight blade, cadmium coated, which gives it that rainbow look right there. Large bevel up here. You know, they've made it pretty large right there. But guys, it does have the groove out so you can get to that liner lock. But just a simple review, guys, and I will leave the link in the description below. Y'all might want to go check this thing out if you're just looking for a cheap knife and you like the cadmium styles or the rainbow style knives. But anyway, guys, again, just a cheaper knife. If you want to see a more in-depth review, be sure to go check out our other channel, Product Probes, and we kind of show what it looks like in the pocket, how sharp it is, you know, and all that good stuff. But anyway, guys, hope the review helped, and I'll see y'all in the next one.